Bobbi girl, living in my Bobbi world. I'm a Bobbi girl, living in my Bobbi world. When my Ken's at, take me to the party world. Dress up time, let's party, girl.
Hey Bobs, it's Kenny here. I'm back today, you guys, and I'm coming to you all with some hair here from Nadula Hair. Y'all, I saw some hair here on Instagram and I just thought sis hair was so freaking gorgeous. Like, it was a pretty blue-ish purple, but it was brighter than this. But I'm kind of glad that mine came out darker because I feel like this is more wearable day to day than how like hers was. But it was super, super gorgeous, and of course I had to do my own rendition of it. Now, I did go ahead and color this hair, you guys. So if you're interested on how I colored this hair, just go ahead and like this video and comment below and just let me know that y'all feeling this color. You all will see that I did my stocking cap method a little different. So yeah, so let me stop rambling on, you guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all soon. So I just want to come to y'all real quick and let you know that this is not a regular stocking cap. This is a queen size knee high that I got from my local Walgreens, and I found that those work better in my opinion because the knee high is closer to my skin tone. I believe I got the suntan and I got the warm honey, but I can use both and both work out really well. So I just want to let y'all know, just in case y'all had questions about this cap, this is a queen size knee high that I picked up from my local Walgreens. I promise I'm going to shut up talking, but I wanted to let you all know that I did cut that little T and pull my ears through on both sides. This is a new ball cap method. I don't want to say new, but an updated ball cap method that I did see my girl Glamazon say, sis, thank you. Like, I literally was able to get that ear tab super flush, and that is really what you want, because otherwise you're gonna spend all day trying to make sure that this part is adhered to your skin. But if it is already flush, it makes it super easy, it dries quicker, and you don't have to worry about gunking it up with any of that got to be. So yeah, so we're gonna keep going. I'm sorry y'all, I promise, but yes, just keep on watching. really happy and pleased with my install. Now I did color this hair, and that is really how I test hair, is to see how it colors and how it holds up afterwards. Now I did not experience any shedding or any tangling after I bleached it, but I will say this, the hair does not hold a curl very well, and I don't know if through the coloring process that it kind of took away that value of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use Flexi Rods just to see if it holds a curl with a more heatless method. But as you all will see, that I curled this bad boy and I was a little disappointed, because now I'm, you know, now I'm looking at this hair and the curl system fell. It just, but other than that, y'all, I am really, really pleased with this hair thus far. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all soon.
I'm a Bobbi girl living in my Bobbi world. I'm a Bobbi girl living in